Alright guys, part 2. Realized I told you wrong in the last video, but I can't edit it out and I've already uploaded it to YouTube. So, we're going to rewrite this problem. Ignore everything from that last video because I said it wrong. And that happens, guys. I'm super sorry. I don't have my math book with me and it takes a little bit of time to get used to this. So, we're going to move that set of parentheses first. So, this whole thing is going to be moved. And we're going to add it to the other side. Alright, so now this becomes 11 equals 3 plus x minus 2. I'm going to subtract this 3. We get 8 equals x minus 2. And now we're going to add the 2 to the other side. I'm going to write it over here because I'm running out of room. So we have 2 plus 8 is 10. So 10 equals x. Now, before we do anything, I want to check this because it's kind of a difficult problem. So I'm going to change the color. We have 11 minus x minus 2 equals 3. This now becomes 11 minus 10 minus 2 equals 3. 10 minus 2 is 8. We have 11 minus 8. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, cool. 11 minus 8 is 3. So x is equal to 10. We didn't do so hot, but that's okay. That's because I did mess up on one problem when I had to pause. But it happens, so hopefully this helps you guys. I'm sorry that this is in 2 parts and that I literally only needed like 3 minutes of the next video. And that I told you wrong in the first one. It happens. You guys know this happens in class 2. It's part of it. And this can get really difficult, and it's part of just trying to figure these things out. Best thing I can tell you, if this isn't helping you, hopefully this video does, Google it. Google will be your best friend. I don't have a ton of math resources for this yet, honestly, because I wasn't anticipating you teaching it to you over a computer. So hopefully this helped. Let me know if you need anything or if you're confused. You guys know that I will help you in the best way that I can. Keep up the good work. You're doing great. I know this is super hard, but as hard as this is, you're doing an awesome job, you guys, for doing it at home. Okay? Get your work done and then enjoy your weekend.